Hello, year 3. It's nice to be here again in week 2. And we are going to continue with the codes. I hope you are enjoying also with the typing.com. I hope you are enjoying that. Thank you for the beautiful picture you sent me. If you want those in Instagram, your mama or baba needs to send it to the school Instagram. Okay, share it in the school Instagram because Miss Ada cannot share it. Okay. Now we are working on course C because we work in course A in year 1, course B in year 2, course C in year 3, course D in year 4, course E in year 5, and F in year 6. So you are going to do codes until year 6. And now it got to the stage where some people are starting, some people are a little in the middle, others are getting to the end. So Miss Ada kept all the videos that you need to start, the videos if you are in the middle, the videos if you are going up to the end. Okay. Now, these videos are tutorials. Most of them, Miss Ada didn't do them. It was other people. So if you have any problems with them, please let me know. Okay, and I will try to help you. So let me show you. Let's see if there is something that I need to tell. Okay, so here I'm going to put this video explaining this week. And then I have the intro video for code for those who are starting, lessons 1 and 2, lesson 3. Lesson 4 is a video, so we don't need to put here. Lesson 5, lesson 6, lesson 7. And I have some kids that are going to lesson 10. Well done, good job. But remember, this is not a race. If you are beginning, the important thing is for you to do your work. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you are in the beginning or in the end. Also, some people are copying. This is not learning. The videos are to help you if you get stuck. If you get stuck, then you take a look at the video. Oh, okay, this is how it's done. And then you need to do it. But it's not for you to keep to do copying, because otherwise, but this way you are not going to learn. Okay, so don't copy, do it by yourself. Just use the videos to help you when you get stuck. Okay, so I think that's all for this video, and see you next week. Do your typing as well, and I hope that this will be finishing soon and that we will be able to be together again. Okay, I miss you. A big hug from Miss Ada, and masalama.